Hi guys, Neil here again. Right, in the last video what we did is we lowered the car. Right, and in this video we are going to add some wheels. What I've done is I've already cut these wheels out. I know it's on a nice Mercedes. So I've cut out the front and the back wheel, not the tyre, just the wheel. Well, wheels. Right, here we go. Right, there's the front wheel. As you can see, there's the back wheel. Okay, so they're not in shape. Let's do the front wheel. I always convert it to a smart object. Excuse me. Right, which one's this? The front one? Yep. Right, what I'll do is press Ctrl T on it. Then I'll go to distort. I'll just line them up. Right, there we go. There we go. Should we make them a bit bigger? Let's have a look at that. Yeah, don't look too bad. Let's do the back one. Control T. Oops. Let's convert that one as well to a smart object. Or you could just go like that. Put it to size. Well, it's as simple as that, really. Actually, let's make the back one a little bit bigger. Let's go to distort this time. Right, simple as that. Quick, easy video. Right, in the next one, what I might do is lower the side skirts and the front bumper. Okay guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye for now.